Hello my friends. Lesson 22. Frozen, Easy English Biography for Learners. Frozen is one of the most successful animated movies in Disney history. Released in 2013, it became a global phenomenon and won the hearts of millions of children and adults. The movie is filled with beautiful music, memorable characters, and emotional storytelling. It also teaches valuable lessons about love, courage, and being true to yourself. In this biography-style story, we will look at how Frozen was created, who the main characters are, and why the movie became such an important part of modern culture. This text is written in easy English to help learners improve their language skills while enjoying an interesting story. The idea for Frozen did not appear suddenly. Disney had been trying to create a movie based on Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale The Snow Queen since the 1930s. However, the story was considered too dark and difficult to adapt. Many famous Disney artists worked on different versions over the decades, but none of them felt right. Everything changed in the early 2010s, when directors Jennifer Lee and Chris Buck joined the project. They decided to transform the original tale into a modern emotional story about two sisters. This new angle finally brought the movie to life. The two main characters, Elsa and Anna, were not always sisters. In early versions of the movie, Elsa was the main villain, just like in Andersen's story. She had blue skin, black hair, and a cold heart. The turning point came when the songwriters wrote Let It Go. The emotional power of the song changed the entire direction of the movie. Instead of being a villain, Elsa became a misunderstood young woman struggling with her magical powers. Her sister Anna became the loving, optimistic hero who tries to save her family. The animators also worked hard to create unique personalities. Anna is warm, funny, energetic, and a little awkward. Elsa is elegant, quiet, and careful. Their differences make their relationship feel real and relatable. The world of Frozen is inspired by Norway. Disney artists traveled there to study real landscapes, clothing, architecture, and culture. They visited fjords, snowy mountains, old castles, and traditional Nordic villages. Because of this research, the movie feels rich and authentic. Arendelle looks like a real place, with beautiful ice-covered forests, sparkling lakes, and impressive Scandinavian-style buildings. Even the characters' clothing is based on Norwegian designs, especially the bunad, a traditional embroidered costume. This attention to detail helped make Frozen visually stunning and culturally inspired. The movie tells the story of two sisters who live in Arendelle. Elsa has magical ice powers that she cannot fully control. After an accident in childhood, she becomes afraid of hurting others, especially Anna. When Elsa accidentally reveals her powers at her coronation, she runs away into the mountains and creates a giant ice palace. Anna decides to find her and bring her home. Along the journey, Anna meets Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf, characters who add humor, friendship, and warmth to the story. The movie's message is very powerful. Love, especially the love between family members, can overcome fear. The ending shows that true love is not always romantic, sometimes it is the love between sisters. Frozen became a worldwide success largely because of its soundtrack. Songs like Let It Go, Do You Want to Build a Snowman? And For the First Time in Forever became international hits. Let It Go, performed by Idina Menzel, won an Academy Award and became one of the most popular Disney songs ever. It inspired millions of people to express themselves and stop hiding who they are. The music helped Frozen connect with audiences emotionally and culturally. Frozen earned over $1.2 billion at the global box office, becoming the highest-grossing animated film of all time, until Frozen 2. It won 2 Academy Awards, Best Animated Feature, Best Original Song. The movie became a cultural phenomenon, inspiring children's clothing, toys, books, musicals, and theme park attractions. Elsa and Anna became 2 of the most beloved Disney characters ever created. In 2019, Disney released Frozen 2, a deeper and more mature story that explored the past of Elsa's powers and the history of Arendelle. The sequel shows Elsa as she follows a mysterious voice, Anna as she finds her own strength, and both sisters as they discover the truth about their family. Frozen 2 also introduced new songs like Into the Unknown and Show Yourself. The sequel was a huge success and became the highest-grossing animated movie in history. Frozen changed Disney animation forever. It brought a new style of storytelling focused on family love, strong female characters, and emotional depth. It inspired millions of children around the world and helped many people learn English through its simple dialogue and memorable songs. Today, Elsa, Anna, Olaf, and the world of Arendelle continue to capture hearts everywhere.